OpenAI is building a phone, and it might not have any apps on it at all. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Friday, May 15th, 2026. OpenAI has partnered with MediaTek, Qualcomm, and Luxshare to build its own smartphone. The kicker? It could ditch traditional apps entirely, replacing them with AI agents. Sam Altman hinted it's time to seriously rethink how operating systems work. This is a direct shot at Apple. The Musk versus Altman trial officially kicked off with jury selection on April 27. Musk claims he was deceived when OpenAI converted from non-profit to for-profit, and he wants $134 billion in damages, plus Altman's removal. Satya Nadella is on the witness list. The stakes could not be higher. China just blocked Meta's $2 billion acquisition of AI startup Manus. No explanation given. Beijing has also told domestic AI labs like Moonshot and StepFund to reject U.S. capital entirely. The tech Cold War in AI is no longer a metaphor, it's policy. Microsoft Outlook now has a co-pilot agent mode that autonomously manages your inbox and calendar. You tell it what you want, it handles the rest, and checks in when it needs you. It's live now in the Frontier Early Access program. Your inbox just got a co-pilot. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about AI agents replacing smartphone apps in the comments. Give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.